Meet your body's super team, the heart, lungs, stomach, and brain. Did you know your heart is like a tiny superhero inside your body? It works 24/7 even while you're asleep. The heart is a super pump that pushes blood all around your body. It beats about 60 to 100 times every minute. That's more than 100,000 times a day. The heart is really strong, and it can pump enough blood to fill a swimming pool in just 1 week. Your lungs are like balloons that help you breathe. Every time you take a breath, your lungs fill up with air and send oxygen to your blood. Guess what? You breathe about 22,000 times every day without even thinking about it. The coolest part? If you spread your lungs out flat, they would cover an entire tennis court. That's a lot of space for such small organs. Your stomach is like a super mixer inside your body. When you eat food, your stomach turns it into a smoothie that your body can use for energy. It's like a kitchen blender that squishes and mixes everything up. And guess what? Your stomach has super strong acid, so strong that it can even break down food like pizza or ice cream into tiny pieces in just a few hours. Your brain is the boss of your whole body. It's like a supercomputer that helps you think, feel, and do everything you need to do, even when you're not thinking about it. It sends and receives millions of messages every second. And here's something cool. Your brain can store more information than a giant computer, making it one of the most powerful organs in the universe. Every time you learn something new, your brain gets stronger and smarter.